Member 1, G. Bijoy Vishwesar, Class 10th, who belongs to Sri K.C. Toshniwal Vivekananda Vidyalaya. Member 2, M.S. Abhishek, Class 10th, who belongs to Sri K.C. Toshniwal Vivekananda Vidyalaya. Member 3, D. Sanjay, Class 10th, who belongs to Sri K.C. Toshniwal Vivekananda Vidyalaya. Member 4, V.G. Santosh, Class 10th, who belongs to Sri K.C. Toshniwal Vivekananda Vidyalaya. The main problem in our country is many cars and bikes which is running due to petrol and diesel are causing many pollution like air pollution and noise pollution. This can be avoided by nanotechnologies. We would like to serve anything towards our country as well as towards our society, because in many countries like USA, Canada and Germany, the technology of motor vehicles, especially cars and bikes and electric cycles, has become more and more technological in many countries, but in India no one accepted to do it. So we have stepped forward